A lot of you know that I like doing things in the terminal, NeoVim, Claudecode, Superfile, and now Hurl. I know, weird name, but it's a HTTP runner built on top of curl that could actually replace Postman, at least for me. It's a lightweight Rust-based tool that supports API testing, authentication, and it even generates reports. So let's go through how it works, and before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So after installing Hurl, create a .hurl file, add a method and a URL, then run this command, which will produce this response. And that's basically all you need to get started. From here, you can add the expected response code. And for post calls, you could add to the body like this, or like this if you're feeling fancy. This form over here is called a section. And Hurl has different sections based on if you're sending a request or a response. But when it comes to actually testing your endpoints, Hurl has a really nice way of doing it. With the asserts section, you can use JSONPath for a JSON response body, or XPath for HTML. And you can even check header or cookie values, and even SSL certificates. Then use the test flag to run tests on one file, or you can split them up into multiple files. And you can also write assertions for GraphQL. Oh, come on, does Mewtwo even count? Anyway, with the combination of multiple requests, assertions, and other sections, you can use Hurl to create some really complex workflows, like this one which makes a request to the login page, then uses the captures section to grab the CSRF token from that page, passes that token as a variable inside this value for the post endpoint, and then follows the redirect to the My Movies page. You could even set location to true in the options section, which will also follow the redirect. And this works really well. But if you wanted more information, you could use the verbose flag, or very verbose, which gives information about the request, shows the response, and also shows any timings. You could even get TLS handshake information based on the request. Honestly, I could go on and on about Hurl. The fact that you can use it for CI/CD using Docker or a Debian file, the fact it can run files in parallel if you use a wildcard, the fact that you can use it to validate JSON types at runtime, and so much more. Although it doesn't support gRPC and mock servers like Postman does, but I think for a free and open source alternative, it already has a lot of great features. But what do you think about Hurl? Let me know in the comments. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, happy coding.